In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log time in Clickup. Clickup provides a versatile platform for time tracking, allowing you to ensure every hour you spend is accounted for seamlessly. Whether you're tracking time on specific tasks or logging hours without an assigned task, Clickup offers multiple options to suit your needs. Let's start with using the timer option, which is one of the most direct ways to track your time. Begin by opening the specific task you wish to track time for. Once you're in the task view, you'll notice a time tracker icon, which usually looks like a play button. Go ahead and click on this to start the timer. As the timer ticks, feel free to add notes or labels for better context or mark the time as billable if necessary. Once you're done working on the task, simply click the stop button to cease tracking. This method is great for capturing precise work periods as they happen. Alternatively, if you prefer logging time manually, ClickUp makes it straightforward. You can either open the task you're working on or go through the quick action menu and select track time. Here you can enter the duration in hours and minutes. Don't forget to select the appropriate date and time range to ensure accuracy. You also have the option to add extra information like notes, labels, or even specify if the logging is billable. Once that's all set, click Save to finalize your entry. Another useful way to track time is by specifying a time range. This method is quite similar to manual entry, but focuses on defining a start and end time instead of just the total duration. Open your desired task or head to the quick action menu and track time by choosing range as your method. Input the start and end times, then select the date and range as you did before. Add any optional details like notes or labels, then hit Save. If you need to log time without tying it to a specific task, ClickUp's quick action menu comes in handy. Start by clicking Track Time and choose your user or another user if you're tracking for someone else. Decide if you want to link the time to an existing task or you might create a new one. Input the necessary time, date, and additional details, and complete the entry just like before. Managing your time entries in ClickUp is also user-friendly. Not only can you edit time entries to adjust durations or mark them as billable, but you can also enrich them with notes. It's a perfect way to categorize time spent on client work versus internal tasks. Utilize the Timesheets view to get a comprehensive overview of tracked time by task and date. To get the most out of your time logging, ensure that the time tracking ClickUp is enabled for your space in the space settings. Pin the Track Time icon for quicker access through the Quick Action menu. Also, setting default billing settings in your space ensures consistency across projects. By leveraging these features, logging time in ClickUp can become a simple yet powerful part of your workflow, helping you stay organized and efficient.